as well as in the world. Is God, His commands, His church teaching, and all that comes with our faith going to the center, to be the center of our family and married life? Yes or no? What do you think if you look around, even among your family members? Again, our answer has got to do with whether we have good and right relationship. So, what is the relationship with the Lord and the church and the teaching? So I cannot say, and this is what the disciples did. They go to Jesus. Saint Asal said, if you don't know how to teach your children in class or don't know how to handle challenging situations, go to Jesus and in your prayers ask Jesus, what shall I do? Follow the wisdom of God. So go to Jesus and the disciples and ask Jesus to teach you how and what to ask from the Lord. So Jesus, in today's gospel, taught his disciples what prayer? Our Father is the pattern of all prayers. Why? Because it is a prayer that focuses on disposing ourselves to God's will and His kingdom rather than ours. I discovered that nowadays, many young people, many young Catholics do not even know the Lord's Prayer. If you don't believe me, you go and find out. You go and interview them. Because when I hear confession, I ask them, pray one Our Father. You know Our Father? Don't know. One Hail Mary? Don't know. Because many young people don't attend Mass anymore. So when do they pray their Father? If they go to some Catholic schools, they used to pray Our Father.
Faith, hope, and charity to set me free. Faith, hope, and charity, I'm led beware. I make my Savior and daily prayer.
Let us
buntag, maayong buntag. Good morning, Sunday. Good morning. Galing tayo nagsimba. Tapos maya uwi muna at magpakain sa aking Luna at alis naman maya. Dahil may trabaho tayo. Kumusta kayo mga kadindin? Kumusta? Akyat sa hagdanan. Yan hagdanan, oh. Ayan. Papunta na ako sa amin. Okay. Malapit lang naman yung simbahan namin, St. Joseph. Kaya, hingal pa more. Agoy. Tumataba na talaga. Excuse me. Pasintabi. Naubo pa. Sarap ng feeling pag nakasimba. Nabawas-bawasan naman yung mga ano natin sa bawasan yung mga sin. Sorry. Ubo pa. Whew. Saan mo na? Akit man ako sa bundok. Bundok kasi yung amin eh. Ayan. Ay, wait lang. Yan na yung aming bahay. Cross. Basta pag pedestrian, ihinto talaga yung mga sasakyan. Dito sa Singapore, ha? Pero pag sa Pinas, ewan. Madaming tao. Morning! Church first, then the dog, then go out. Because you have a dog, remember? Jalan-jalan daw. Yan na yun. Aray. Akyat tayo sa bundok, guys. Maganda lang yung ano namin, entrance. Uwi muna. Pakainin ko muna si Luna. Yan. Samahan mo na kayo, ha. Mga kadindin. Para meron tayong upload. Alam mo na, kailangan natin maghanap buhay. Kasi, need natin yan. Mayroon tayong estudyante. Manood man tayo ng pool. Yan, iikot ko kayo. Ganda. Excuse me. Dito tayo ikot. Ganda, no? Yan. Okay, yung swan mo. Swan fountain. Sarap maligo dyan. Hindi pa ako nakaligo. Kasi, inuubo. Yan yung clubhouse. Kids pool. Sa pinakadulo kasi kami na kondo. Kaya, ang layo. Excuse my ubo. My goodness. Hindi nawawala ng ubo kasi pawisin. Doon ako sa dulo. Doon kaya, dito kaya ako daan. Car park yan dyan. Ay. Playground. Behind sa clubhouse. Iyan yung tennis court. Ayan, tennis court dito. Yan. Ito yung condo namin. Maganda, no? Actually, matagal na to. Nag-repaint lang sila kaya mukhang talaga. More than 20 years. I think. Hindi ako nagkamali. Saka before kami nagpunta dito, nag-repaint lang itong mga to. Kaya, well maintained talaga. Okay. Akyat para may exercise. Yan ang tennis court. Ang laki. 2 court yan, oh. Okay. Dito na tayo. Shortcut. Shortcut tayo sa car park kasi mainit. Alright. Ang aso ko tatalo na yan. Si Luna tatalo na. Okay. Tama natin. Habaan muna natin yung ating. Ay. Oh my. Okay. Hingal. Pawis. Pawis. Ang sarap talaga ng pakiramdam pag nakasimba ako. Lagi na lang kasi ako hindi nakakasimba dahil syempre may extra. Tingnan natin muna dito, guys. Yan. Akit na si Lindy. Hermie. Diba? Beauty maski pawis. Ayan siya. Ano tayo? Dito na ako. Pawis. Grabe, oh. Guys, pawis. Thank you guys sa pagsama sa akin sa simpleng vlog today, Sunday, the 27th of July. So, I have to give Luna muna food. Tapos, ang Diyos ko, pawis. Baba ko siya. Mag-early break, mag-early dinner. May lunch ako. Alrighty. Thank you. Sarap ng pawis. So, tinan mo, basang-basa na. Thank you, mga kadimkin! Thank you sa pagsama. Thank you. Ingat-ingat tayo lagi. At saka lagi nating alalahanin na yung kalusugan, di ba? Paminsan-minsan, yung mga hindi nagpapawis dyan, magpawis na kayo. Kasi kailangan natin yan. Lalo na nagkakaedad tayo. Nagkakaedad na ako. Sige. Alrighty. Thank you so much sa pagsama today sa akin. So, part of this video yung may mask, pero hindi ko pwede kasing kukunin lahat ng ano doon dahil hindi allow. So, patch lang. Thank you. Have a happy Sunday. And ingat lagi. God bless. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan sa YT, sa lahat ng nagsusuporta, sa mga kaibigan, sa mga ka-YT ko, sa head namin sa Gigi Kulit, si Jinjay Vlog. Thank you. Lahat ng mga kasamahan ko sa team, hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa kasi dami nyo, ang dami din yung mga baho. Right? Sisi Osang, I can always remember. Sisi Osang, Mom Shell, Maribel, so those, Kuya Alex, Bunguton Vlog, Sisi Michelle, thank you. Thank you so much for always supporting us. Bye. Love you. God bless, guys. Babush.